Hi there! Are you tired of feeling stressed and overwhelmed when it comes to your finances? I want to introduce you to something that will help you change your financial situation despite all odds. My Money Journal is a practical hands-on guide. It will help you take control of your finances and accelerate your pace to hit the results you're seeking with your money. Inside this amazing journal, you will discover the recipe to get to your financial freedom. You'll also discover the money attraction formula. And you will also discover your most valuable financial assets that will help you maximize your earning ability, which is what you need right now to retain a state of financial security despite the turbulent economic times. You'll also get the guide to your financial well-being, which is very important to your overall well-being. And you know what? There is much more. My Money Journal is a must-have resource for anyone who wants to achieve financial success. You see, complaining about the high cost of living, that we can do as a group. But when it comes to changing your numbers, that is a personal journey. And you need the right tools, like My Money Journal, to get it right. This will help you to accelerate your pace to hit your financial goals for this year. Take advantage and get your copy of My Money Journal right now. We are excited to help you begin this whole new experience with your money that will help you achieve your financial goals for this year much faster. So act fast and get your copy of My Money Journal today. The payment details are embedded on this video clip.